You have here a different bank. It's called Isabella Bank. It's a laggard. If you look at Isabella's numbers, they are so different from Private Bancorp, right? But what they did an uplisting in May 2025. You can see that the bank basically was trading nowhere for a decade. And why? Well, the bank has efficiency ratios of 70%, which you cannot make any money with these type of numbers. Return on assets less than 1%, and return on equities less than 8%. Okay, so this is a bank that was not very well run, but you can see that as soon as you are uplisted from the OTC to the Nasdaq, you enter several ETFs in the process. In this case, Isabella Bank entered the Vanguard Microcap ETF, and you can see the force buyers during 2025. Basically what you did here was a two-bagger, okay, which is very nice for a bank that is very profitable. Okay, so there are several examples, okay, of this kind of trend, but I think this example was pretty dramatic.